My name's Sean Chalfian, and I am going to explain how I believe I've caught Expedia colluding with GoDaddy and Kayak, the booking group, and Fastly and Nexstar Media Group colluding to attack me. But in the process, I believe I've discovered that this is going on a grand scale, like an epic scale, where domains are being sent to another server as a subdomain and they disappear. The DNS disappears because they become iterated, stringified on the index exchange. So first, these were my travel websites. I had a lot more, but this is what I was building. And I had 7 that I was getting ready to launch with Amadeus. And when I discovered Nexstar Media Group collaborating with GoDaddy to hack me, GoDaddy stole all my domains that I had left and shut down all of my websites. And they stole my biggest domains because now I know. I believe I've caught him colluding. And here we go. I'm going to show you how I believe I have caught them colluding. First off, GoDaddy lays the infrastructure for these companies, and the same infrastructure that they put in here. Actually, I need to clap back up. First off, I discovered that GoDaddy lays the infrastructure for these travel companies. And what I want to show here is that I believe they're colluding. This is Expedia Group. This is Booking Group. That's similar to Kayak. This is the Booking Group. This is VRBO, Expedia. And they have the same infrastructure underneath. Kayak, Expedia. They can do this because they're joined at the index exchange, which I'm going to show here. Here's GoDaddy with hotel-based price in the back end and VRBO. Now, in order to write this infrastructure and this code here to look like this, they all have to be on the same network or the same exchange. So they're all communicating using the index exchange. Again, here's VRBO and Expedia. They're the same. But back when they were hacking me, what they were doing in-house, what they do in-house, this is my website. This is back in 2018 when they didn't know I knew what going into the back end was doing. And this is their travel assets. And they're injecting these man-in-the-middle attacks right here to hijack the website, just like the way GoDaddy is doing that to me right now. Now, GoDaddy is a travel company. In fact, their CEO, new CEO, he's from Expedia. This is Expedia attacking my website line by line, because they were iterating me through the index exchange. And so, in order to get this, which HomeAway and Expedia are Expedia companies, and here on Expedia, you have HomeAway in here, and you have Expedia over here underneath HomeAway, and they're the same. And that is what they were doing to me. And they still are, but they're using code. They're using code to do it now, and they're syncing it. And GoDaddy lays the infrastructure for this. So I'm going to show you the index exchange. And by the way, These are the before and afters. I took the ones on the right on April 26th through Check Your Website. I ran tests on each one of these companies that I believe are hacking me. And on June 6th, after I ran another check, I noticed they made a lot of changes. So because I sent a complaint to law enforcement showing that they had forwarded my name servers to these ns1.net servers I'm going to show you. Now, there are no ns1.net servers on Expedia right here, but they're connected through this ultradns.net at Fastly. So before and after, look at what Expedia removed. This is Expedia without the marks. Look at what they removed. Fastly did the most erasing. Before and after, April 26th, June 6th. Expedia. Here's Priceline, and there are the exact name servers that GoDaddy, when they injected their hack through their man-in-the-middle attack, forwarded me to right there. This is Kayak. Now, look at the significant changes and redirects in here. Kayak, April 26th, Kayak, June 6th. They deleted 8 through 17. That's Fastly without the markings. But here, this is at the index exchange. So here is GoDaddy. Their A records, these IP addresses are being forwarded to these A records. And here comes those are Expedia's. Oh no, those are hotels.com down here. Hotels.com. They're the same as Expedia. And they're all connected at the index exchange. And here's how Fastly connects. There's how Fastly connects Expedia. Because they're the content delivery network. Through the Ultra DNS, Fastly. And then Fastly connects and delivers the content to me. But GoDaddy and Expedia keep an arm's length because these are GoDaddy's A records and name servers. So they use the index exchange to make everything what I showed you happen. And I believe they're colluding. They're colluding traffic. They're colluding traffic because that's what they did to me. And I have seen others that have been influenced, and their websites are influenced the same way. The same exact way. Now, here is how I'm going to prove it. Here is how I'm going to prove it. Again, these were kayaks. And this IP address is syncing up to the same A record that my website, mask.care, is being maliciously pointed to. There is mask.care on the right here. And these are that's my name server and IP address. And they are pushing it right to, this is the hack. And I'm going to show you that this is a GoDaddy hack that did this in this example. I'm wrapping it up. There is a man-in-the-middle attack inside of mass.care. And that aksecure.imworld is a subdomain. And there's thousands of subdomains that they attached this subdomain to. And that aksecure.imworldwide.com has these name servers. And there are 1.25 million domains on these ns1.net servers. And who knows how many of them are doing what they did to me. And I had 5,000 domains and they were doing this to me. I'm going to show you some examples. Eyes.care. While it was in my account, they had it pointed at website welcome. GoDaddy did this. And they stole the domain from me, and now it's letting the University of California own it, and University of California use it. Yeah, University of California use it. While it was in my account, he did that for 2 years. And now we're going to show you what website welcome is. Website welcome has thousands of subdomains on it. More than that, because they have CNAMEs, and underneath these CNAMEs are thousands of domains. There's the CNAMEs. But look at the name servers where website welcome was. They had eyes.care going to the same name servers as where mass.care is going right now, where Kayak is going, where VRBO is going, where GoDaddy's going, where Fastly's going. This is organized crime. This is DNS hijacking. This is collusion. I allege. I have to allege. I know. So this is when Expedia was taking over my website, hotels.viajes, with these travel assets. And these are man-in-the-middle attacks. Travelassets.com and Travel Media. Travel Media. There are those ultra DNS servers at Fastly. And Fastly connects to the index exchange, which puts all this together. And I have video proof to show how Expedia and Kayak were able to attack me using the index exchange, which I am going to attach to this video. Proof, on its face proof. There's my website again. Travel Media. By the way, there is the Travel Media name servers. That's a man-in-the-middle attack from Expedia. They're identical. In order to do what they're doing here, they have to use the index exchange to fetch the DNS, to steal the 5,000 domains that they put underneath this hotels.viajes and created subdomains and then fetched the entire DNS and stole from me. And I believe they're doing this on a grand scale to victims that don't even know it. This is Vegas.baby, my website, Vegas.baby. And here you can see Expedia using the travel pics, and there's TripAdvisor, but travel pics, and I thought I saw travel and travel payouts. They're iterating, they're stringifying. This is fraud. And travel assets, by the way, there is the and then there's the IMGs and these Apple Touch icons, which do the same thing. These Apple Touch icons you can see in there are the Apple Touch icons they use in VRBO and Home Away. And those Apple Touch icons make you disappear from generic searches. And this is collusion to attack me. And I believe they're doing this on a massive scale with these Apple Touch icons, and people don't even know it. So hotels.viajes. This is a man-in-the-middle attack back in 2018 that I caught in my browser cache. There is GoDaddy allowing travel assets to hijack my website, hotels.viajes, and there is the index exchange. Spyware, which is Digital Ocean, Warren Adelman. So here, check this out. GoDaddy pointed, if not thousands, multiple hundreds of my domains to this IP address, 23273865. That's a place called My Shopify. And My Shopify, there it is, 23222738 was whatever, they're all the same over there. They're pointing it right at those DNS1, NS1.net servers. This is fraud. It's fraud. And so there is, again, this is the same hotels.viajes hack I just showed you with the Uniregistry, but Lips Media is their live engage, and I Am Worldwide. I Am Worldwide is what they're doing to me right now. They're doing this to me in 2021, right now, and it's collusion. It's an attack after a lawsuit I had with Priceline. They are attacking me and retaliating against me after a lawsuit in 2017 I had with Priceline. But they were doing this in 2016, so whatever. It's collusion.